All right, so in this quick video, how to connect your domain to the Fractal CRM platform. So to do that, you just come down here to settings, and over here on the left, under other settings, you have domains. Click add domain. Now, just to make sure there's no confusion here, so if you're linking a root domain, so let's say I'm linking directly in here fractal-crm.com. If you're using the root domain, the primary main domain, you're going to want to set up an A record. So whether you use Google domains, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, WPX is what I use, WPX hosting and everything. But if you're going to use the main domain, you want to set up an A record pointing to this IP address. If you're going to use a subdomain here, so this could be like app, this could be www, because technically www is a subdomain. But if you're going to use any kind of subdomain there, you're going to want a CNAME record pointing to flash dot this right here. And then you just click add, and it'll usually take a second just to verify it. And then you can start adding that domain to all of your funnels, your websites, things like that. But that is how you add a domain to the CRM here, to the platform here. You can add as many domains. We don't limit the number of domains you connect to your account. So just another way that we have created this platform to be infinitely scalable as you continue to grow your business. Let us know if you have any questions.